Hello friends who like to find a better way. In this video, I am going to show you how you can capture a list from File Explorer. In this case, we're looking at my list of folders. It could be a list of files if you would prefer. And I suspect that some of you are going to see this and it is going to solve a big problem or make something easier for you. However, a lot of you are probably going to look at this and think, why would I ever need to know this? So just watch it, be aware of it, and if it helps you, leave a comment, let me know. I'd love to hear about it, and if not, save it for next time. So what we're going to do is we're going to open Windows Explorer to the list that we want to capture. So that's what we're looking at here. We're looking at my master list. Typically, I am doing this because I am helping a company do some electronic file organization. And typically, they don't just have 16 items that I'm capturing. Typically, it is a scrolling window that has hundreds of folders and files that I'm capturing. So whether it's a lot or a few, it works the same way. What you're going to do is just in this window, you really want to select everything. So I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut Control-A to select everything. And again, if I had 187 folders and files in this location, it would have selected all of those. Now what I'm going to do, and this is the little trick, is I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and then I'm going to right-click on my selection. When I hold down the Shift key and right-click on the selection, I get a different set of choices. It is not your normal shortcut menu. One of the choices that's available to me this way is to copy as path. So I'm going to click on Copy as Path, and now I can choose where I want to paste it. I could paste it in Word, I could paste it probably anywhere that you can paste things. For me, I'm going to paste it in Excel and have that list of folders and files pasted into my Excel sheet. I'm going to expand my column here, and you can see it pasted it in based on where I had right-clicked, so that's why it looks like it's not in alphabetical order. You could certainly sort it at this point and get it back in alphabetical order. What you might want to use a spreadsheet for is to assign people to the folder and tell them, hey, you need to go through and clean it up. So maybe this is the folder name, and this is who it's assigned to, and they have to go through and clean it up and consolidate files or get rid of files, whatever they might need to do at this point. So that's one thing you might use it for. I recently had a conversation with people who really were kind of creating an index of sorts for their procedures that they had and what all was covered in their list of procedures. And so this might be another way that you could capture a list of files containing your procedures, and if you wanted to attach more information to them, a great way to maybe create like a little index of sorts. So like I said, for those of you that want to know how to copy and paste an Explorer list, I would imagine you'll be thrilled with this. And for those of you that have never needed to do that, I'm sorry if I wasted your time. Hopefully you'll remember it in the event you do need it sometime. And for those of you who want to take this one step further and get rid of some of this beginning information that's repeated in your list, I would encourage you to watch my Excel text to columns YouTube video to see how you can quickly take care of that. So I hope you liked it. Like I said, if this was helpful, please leave a comment and be sure to subscribe to this channel as well as my newsletter so you can get tips directly delivered to your inbox. Thanks again for watching. I hope it helps.